Why reindeer noses are actually 10 degrees warmer than their body, scientists finally know. Their noses use a complex network of tiny blood vessels that's 25% denser than any other mammal. These specialized vessels rapidly expand and contract to precisely control blood flow to their nose. The system acts like a thermal exchange, cooling incoming air in summer and preserving heat in winter. Researchers discovered this helps reindeer maintain brain temperature within dew point 2 degrees Celsius. The same mechanism lets them detect food under deep snow from temperature differences alone. Nature basically gave them a thermal imaging camera right in their nose.